Lay me down in the evening, lowered in the ground. When I'm cold, Lord, lay me down. And when I'm leaving, carry home my very soul.
Scriptures say that in the last days the latter rain come. We're trying to see it now, we climb the ladder rung. We need that old dream, youngins gotta prophesy. People need a glimpse of hope, if only through the prophet's eyes. Heaven knows the people perish when the vision dies. Fear'll kill you, man, and unbelief will paralyze. And we're prepared to die, that ain't but a journey home. But while we still survive, Lord, let your will be known. This man before us was a friend and a leader, a compassionate father and a sturdy believer. Seemed the tender age of 50 just too early to leave us. We ain't questioning your will, my God, but show us your reasons, please.
Lord, lay me down in the evening, lowered in the ground. When I'm cold, Lord, lay me down. And when I'm leaving, carry home my very soul.
Amazing grace, how sweet the sound. I hope I find some when my time comes around. They laid my mama in the ground the morning I was born, and now you're singing that it's evening, but the sun ain't gone down. And even now, the shadow of this crown reminds me how without the king I wouldn't be around. And something in the sound of this song as we lay him down sounds like something, but that's so long ago now. And now I'll guard this bar, fight hard for the patrons. Your king is gone, but I'll carry on the administration. Note this, you need a hand, look to these fists. Forever and a day they stay clenched.
Lord, lay me down in the evening, Lord.